Kuringana na ministry ya uruti wa wira wa muingi, kaingi ugitiri wa ciana ndukoragwo ugithingatithio na njira iria yagiriire, undu uria ucungagiriria ihoto ciao gukorwo ikiagararwo. Hindi ya kuruguria mutaratara wigie ugitiri wa ciana kumana na mogwati matiganite, ministry iraniire kurumbuia ciana na njira ciothe niguo gutigirira ni magia na wiyathi mukinyaniru, ihoto ciao itekwagararwo.
The pandemic affected our children's mental health and psychological well-being, and therefore prioritization of child protection needs in health crises.
Over 970,000 children aged 6 to 59 months and 142,000 pregnant and breastfeeding women were severely malnourished compared to 884,000 reported last year in July.
Kihukanio gia COVID-19, kumumoka kwa manyumba, muiyuro, ng'aragu, ndigano cia kimucii, unduire muhituke ni mahinda wa ugimarithia wa airetu ni mamwe ma mathina maria mahutagia ciana na aingĩ ao matikoragwo na mweke wa kwiturura.
As a child, it is important we should be kept safe from much emergencies. This is why we appreciate the child emergency response measures set by the Department of Children's Services and all collaborating partners in the protecting of lives.
And all this, so we cannot respond and protect our children if we do not have adequate staffing to support this.
Hamwe noguo anyiti itemi ministry-ini itiganite ni moretio kunyita itemi hari guthaitira ciana na njira ya guteithiriria kuria kurabatarania gutari na muthutukanio, kuria ningi ministry no iraniire kuheanaga motaro mahinda kwa mahinda.
This will ensure that we all are adequately equipped to respond to emergencies and alleviate the suffering of our people, not only present but for the generations to come. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.